Wagwan, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. So today, I decided to share that one here with you. My oven oxtail recipe. Okay? Here's some 3 pounds of oxtail. So now we're going to go ahead and wash the oxtail, then we're going to season it up. Alright, man, wash the oxtail with white vinegar and lime. Fresh lime. It's important to wash your meat before you cook it, okay? So always remember to wash your meat before you cook it. This oxtail don't have a lot of fat, so I don't need to trim nothing off of this. And when your oxtail don't have a lot of fat, it's perfect to cook in the oven. Try to use the one with less fat to cook in the oven. Unless you have to peel off some of the fat off of it if it have a lot of fat. And you burn it off. You burn it off on the stove. If you're not cooking for a restaurant, if you're cooking for a restaurant, it's gonna really hard to burn it off. Because you know it's bulk cooking you're doing. So we're gonna throw off this water and then rinse it off. Alright my people, after you wash your oxtail, it's supposed to look like this. So now we're gonna season the oxtail, right? So here I have some pimento seeds or pimento berries. I'm using some all-purpose season. You could use your favorite oxtail season or your favorite all-purpose season. Alright. Yes, so I'm gonna use some black pepper. Roughly half teaspoon of black pepper. Here I'm gonna use some garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Just like that, my people. Here I'm gonna add some carrots. This is my green season, my blend green season. To get the recipe for this, you could get it in my ebook from my website. So this is 3 tablespoons of green season, 2 tablespoons of blend garlic, just like that. Here I have some grace browning to give it color. You could use gravy master also, just like that. Now we'll go rub it in the season together. And all of this, go give it the gravy you want in the oven. Okay? It's gonna slow cook. Alright my people, so this is how your oxtail is supposed to look when you finish to season it. I'll tell you, it have everything in it. From the blend green season, you have all the herbs in the season. The scotch bonnet pepper, everything in there, the ginger. So now I'm gonna cook it in this aluminum foil pan. I know a lot of people are gonna tell me say I shouldn't cook in the aluminum foil pan. So I add it here. Just like that. Now I'm gonna use some water. I'm gonna use boiling water, my people. Rinse out all the season from out of this to add to it. So I throw the water one side. Just like that. Alright, you don't want too much water in it, my people, okay? So now I'm gonna cover it up. Put it in the oven. And you want to seal it tight so it lock the steam inside, okay? it's gonna slow cook. I already have the oven preheated at 375 degrees, and this gonna cook for 3 hours and 45 minutes. Putting on the oven now, saying, I mean, well, just go and share the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Alright my people, so it's already 3 hours since the oxtail in the oven. Now I'm going to take it out and add the butter bean to it and pop it back inside the oven for another 30 minutes. Hot! Look at that! Look at this my people. Gravy nice. Alright, so now I'm going to add the butter bean. The butter bean already cooked. So we're going to add the butter bean to it. This have a lot of gravy, my people. It's well nice. You can see the meat tender up already, you see? Already cooked. Alright, so we're going to pop it back inside for another 30 minutes, okay? Right. Seal it back, because remember, it's steam cooked. You have to always keep it covered to trap the steam inside. Alright. Alright my people, 30 minutes on the clock, then we'll take it out. Everything fall off the board. People, so 30 minutes is already up, so we're going to take the oxtail out of the oven now. So we're going to pop it. We're going to pop it open. Alright my people, oxtail nice and tender, see? Look at this. Nice. See that? Alright my people, now we need a support. Just please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.